everybody. I'm going to sit on the table and watch Good Luck Charlie. We're not going to videotape it this time because I just don't feel like it. And here's my hand. You always want to say hi before you do that. And here in a couple minutes, I'm going to show you something. Which I'm going to do that right now. Let's go. There we go. That dog's not here today. Here is Sweet Pea, Max, Jillian, Porky, Toe, and Big Eyeballs. Well, my name's SpongeBob. That I'm just gonna name that right now because I haven't figured a name for him. But I have for the other ones that I had for a long time. But I don't know why. That's gross, ain't it? That's crazy, actually. I made a weird eyeballs. What did I just say? Never mind. Wait, what? Never mind. Okay. Let's get these golf balls out of the way to where we can do something. And we're going to be doing an activities, and that's so fun. Okay, do you want to come and see my kids? Oh, here it is. Play school. Here she is. Wow, isn't that amazing? Let's go. She's in kindergarten. I just wanted you to know that. Because she is in kindergarten. And look at me. Isn't that a good picture? Yeah, look at my poodle. That's crazy, ain't it? Well, Sunday, I'm going to be going to my cousin's college birthday party. And would you like to come? Oh, great. Because I'm going to bring my iPod anyway. I don't care. I'm so sorry about that. I was like, okay, that's crazy. You didn't see my face on that, did you? Okay. I'm going to slip and fall out. That's crazy. Now, I'm going to tell y'all the story, and then I'm going to draw it in my thing, in my book thing. And once upon a time, there was a girl named Chloe. She liked to walk all around the apple trees every single day. She never stopped, but when it was bedtime, she was scared, so she went home. But she never, ever went to sleep because she was afraid of the dark. So she just stayed awake, went outside, and went swimming. But there was bats. Come on, let's go, and I'll show you something really quick. Here's my daddy's golf things. Golf clubs, yeah. Crazy, ain't it? Okay, I'm about to end this video. No, I'm not. I'm just crazy. I just was joking about that. And here's the lot. Isn't that bright? Bright. You're right. There's Daddy. He got his hair cut. He almost got it all cut off. But she did need a haircut anyways, girly. Okay, look.
Can you please turn it down? We're trying to study.
Yo, can do, sis. It's only one level in rock and roll. And that is... I think we can accommodate your little sister. Excuse me, but the band is called PJ and the Vibe. So what, the Vibe doesn't get...
That's crazy. This is crazy. Oh, yeah. Okay, that was crazy. This is a long video. I don't think I can stand this thing. I'm just making a good old workout. Ouch. That hurt. I I told you my story and everything. We did a lot of fun stuff today. And right now, it's time to go crazy. Okay, that's enough going crazy. Okay. I know you can't wait to go to my cousin Sky's birthday party, but don't you dare chase me. You're hilarious. No. Okay. I'm what's on the table. Here's the notes. And this is crazy. It's a crazy video on it. Okay. This is crazy. Let me count how much movies I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 movies at my daddy's house. And I have more here than at my mommy's. But I have 1,000 toys here. That's crazy. And I have 1,000 toys at mommy's. And Anna's. I have 1,000 toys everywhere.
In the fridge. Knock yourself out. All right. Yeah. Brothers are all taken care of. And there will be no more interruptions. What do you want?
Just need you to watch the baby for a second.
Thank goodness, he got the baby. Oh, sorry about that. This is a long video. It's not just a video, it's a movie that I'm making. Even though I do have 10 movies, I think. No. Okay. Let's go. Okay. If you want to listen to my song, look. You gotta be kidding me. I'm gonna make a video. And it's gonna be crazy. And then I'm gonna do one more thing with y'all, and then I'm gonna go. I know y'all don't want me to go, but I got to. Because it's gonna be a long video if I keep on doing this. And it's almost 800 hours that I've been doing this. So y'all need to pay attention to the movie. Okay. Hello, I'm Mrs. Pig. No, you are not. Oh, yes, I am. I am too, Mrs. Pig. You're crazy. You are crazy. I don't care. I'm leaving. Okay, I guess it's just me all by myself. I will stand. I'm coming back and I'm going. I guess I'm going to be standing by myself. The end. I'm going to do 2 more fun things with y'all, and then I'm definitely going to go. Let's look at this. This is the first thing, and then there's going to be one more thing.
That was crazy! Right, Robert? You're just gonna stand there with your
Okay, ready? Last thing we did was go another crazy